I've always wanted a camera for the outside of my home, but I never felt comfortable drilling a hole into the side of my house. With this, you just attach it to the inside of the window with a suction cup, plug it in, and you're done. No drilling, no batteries, and I don't have to worry about anybody trying to steal the camera or extreme weather because the camera's actually inside. You actually can barely see it from the outside of the house, and it suctions so close to the glass there's no reflection or glare. You can see here, a bright, clear image, even at night. Look at that. I've never seen a camera show this much detail in the dark. It lets you customize it so you only get a notification when you want. I set my detection area, set it to person detection, and then I only get notified when a person moves in front of the house, not a car or a tree blowing in the wind. I can check the live stream anytime I want, and it records anytime the person detection goes off so that way I don't miss anything. Everything gets recorded onto a micro SD card in the camera. That way I don't have to pay for cloud storage and I know it's secure. Pretty smart.
Panasonic.